Most of the time I do science-y electronics, radio type stuff for this channel. But this time, well, if you stick with me, I will show you how this is related. I went to an estate sale and I found some things. Apparently this guy was collecting tie tacks, tie pins, tie clips. And anyway, there were just boxes of these things. So some of the odd ones are this one from the Masters Golf Tournament, and then this one, which I don't think is quite allowed anymore. But these other three are more in line with what I usually do. And can you guess what they are? What's that decoration on there? Yeah, let's see if I can't get really up close, and you will see what's embedded in these jewels, if you will. This is what is embedded in that first tie clip, the silvery one, and I can't really get anything in there to point. It appears to be, and I wouldn't bet very much on this, it appears to be a memory chip. The back side of the tie clasp says Fujitsu. So this is one of the things they would give to their sales reps or, very good customers. And this was kind of an ooh-ah thing if you were a nerd, is that you would get samples. These were usually dropouts from the production line. And yeah, you would be wearing this really high-tech thing around. Let's look at the next one. My rough guess on this one would be that it is some kind of a processor chip, something along those lines. For this one, it is labeled OKI on the back, OKI, and my rough guess would be that it's some kind of a processor. Yeah, again, this would have been something really cool if you were a nerd to have. But yeah, you can see the difference in the pattern. And okay, let's look at the last one. And this last one says Toshiba on the back, and I'm guessing this is probably like an all-in-one processor and some limited memory in it. Again, really rough guess. I don't know the time frames. There's no dates on them, and unfortunately my memory isn't good enough to go back to all the trade shows and everything and try to relive, try to remember all of that stuff. But anyway, yeah, just something, a blast from the past. I mean, these are the kind of things you don't see anymore. This type of promo has gone away. But again, this was kind of a gee whiz thing if you were a nerd and you got one of these. Okay, well, I hope you found that interesting in your electronic historical interests.